Good morning students, myself Shravanti. Welcome to today's 7th science class. In today's class we are going to start new chapter, 5th chapter, acids, bases and salts. In that first, acids and bases. What is an acid? What is a base? If we want to test the acidic basic nature of a given substance. If it is a food item, then we can test it with our tongue. Okay? If the given substance is sour in taste, then we can say it is an acid. If it is bitter in taste, then you can say it is a base. Okay? And one more test is there for base. If by touching, if you are feeling soapy, then you can say it is a basic compound. Okay? So, if it is there in the food, then we can test it by tongue. But in laboratory, the chemicals we can't test them by tasting them. Okay? So, for that we need few indicators to test the acidity and basicity of compounds. In the few natural indicators are here: litmus, turmeric, China rose. Litmus are the papers we are normally getting in the market to test the acidity and basicity. These litmus papers are prepared by using lichens. And turmeric paper, by applying turmeric paste on the tissue paper, we can prepare the turmeric indicator. And the China rose, by putting the China rose petals in the warm water, the liquid whatever we are getting, that we can use it as a indicator. So first come to litmus papers. By using litmus papers, we can test the given chemical is an acid or a base. Like putting the given substance. Put 1 drop of given substance on the litmus paper. If the litmus color is changing from blue to red, then you can say it is a acid. If the litmus color is changing from blue to red, then we can say it is an acid. If it is changing from red to blue, then we can say it is a base. And turmeric also, by using turmeric tissue paper also, by putting the base on it, with the turmeric tissue paper color changes from yellow to orange. And next, China rose solution. By adding acid to the China rose liquid, okay, the color changes from pink to red. By adding the base, it changes from pink to light blue. Okay, by using these natural indicators, we can test the given substance whether it is acidic in nature or basic in nature. And next, neutralization. Neutralization means acid and base. When they are reacting with each other, they form salt, water and releases heat. This is neutralization. Okay. So this neutralization reaction we can test by using phenolphthalein indicators. Whatever indicators we are using for testing acids and bases, we can't use these indicators here. Here we have to use phenolphthalein indicators to test the neutralization reactions. Okay, in a neutralization reaction, acid react with a base or base react with an acid and forms salt, water, and along with these two compounds, heat. It releases heat also. Okay, and the next one, neutralization in our everyday life, in digestion. Okay, few people used to take antacid tablets. Why they are taking means, if they are not taking sufficient food, the hydrochloric acid which is there in our stomach, it acts on the stomach walls. So to neutralize that acid, here they used to take antacid tablet, means which is act against the acid, means it is a base. Okay, so while taking that antacid tablet, it neutralizes the acid in our stomach. And next one, ant bite. When ant is bitten us, and first it releases formic acid into our body. To neutralize that acid, we have to use baking soda. Okay, wet baking soda. If we are applying wet baking soda on the trash, the acid is neutralized by this soda and we can feel relief from the burning sensation. And next one, soil treatment. By adding fertilizers, soil nature is changing. It converting into acid and bases. Okay, the nature of soil is changing into acidity or basicity. To neutralize this, again we have to add few other compounds to it. If the soil is acidic in nature, then we have to add limestone. It is a base which neutralizes the soil. If the soil is basic in nature, then we have to add organic manure. which releases acid into the soil to neutralize the basic nature. And next one, factory wastages. We know that so many factories are releasing their chemicals into the rivers and onto soil. Okay, so but they are not releasing it directly. First they have to neutralize it. Okay, that acid solutions whatever they are releasing, first they will neutralize it and then only they used to releasing in the environment. Okay, so these are the normal neutralization reactions which are there in our daily life. Okay, so this is our topic. I will send this lesson notes through the WhatsApp. Please complete your notes and send it for me for checking. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.